Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Google account so settings stick to you. Once signed in, open Google. Chrome on desktop or the Google app on mobile and tap the profile icon. Make sure to select settings or the gear icon immediately. This takes you to search settings. You're doing this now to change safe search, region, and results per page. These first steps ensure changes saved to your account versus only the device, which matters if you use multiple devices. Now you focus on the main controls. Toggle Safe Search on or off to filter explicit content. You'll see how filtering affects previews. Once done, pick results per page, 10, 20, or 50, and decide if results open in a new window for easier comparison. Next, set region and languages so Google prioritizes local and correctly translated pages. These adjustments change relevance and volume of results, so tweak one at a time and run a quick search to evaluate the impact. Finish by scrolling down and clicking Save so your choices persist. You can also open advanced settings to control personalization, autocomplete suggestions, and private results tied to your activity. Once saved, sign out and back in or sync another device to confirm changes propagated. If something goes wrong, clear browser cache and cookies, disable extensions that alter pages, or update the app. These steps fix most sync or display issues. If settings still don't apply, check account-level parental controls or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.